Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will share with you how I make this super delicious yam porridge. So I'm making it a little bit in a different way. Usually it's made with fish, but I'll be using mushrooms. I'm basically making a vegan yam porridge. So to make this porridge I used mushrooms, onions, a tomato, pepper, palm oil, chives, and yam cut in cubes. So what I did first was blend my tomato and pepper, which I both steamed for about 5 minutes or so. Add as little water as you can get away with to speed up the cooking process. Then cube the onions and mushrooms. I used oyster mushrooms, but you could also use other types of mushrooms such as butter mushrooms, portobello, or any other kind or type that you like. Okay, so I started with heating the red palm oil, which is quite essential in this recipe. So I don't really know any good alternative flavor wise for red palm oil. If you do, let us all know in the comment section down below. When the oil is hot, add the onions, and I cook them to the point when they started to caramelize. So for me, that took about 10 minutes over medium heat. During that time, it is very important to keep an eye on it and to keep stirring every couple of minutes. Now add the mushrooms, and at first the mushrooms will absorb a lot of the oil, but as you continue to cook it, it will release some of the oil. So now it's time to add the tomato mixture. So the aim is to cook it until the water content evaporates. So that's why I said earlier to add as little water as you can get away with while blending the tomatoes and the other ingredients. At this stage, add some salt, and I decided to add a bay leaf for some flavor. Overall, I want to keep the flavors very simple, so I won't be adding any spices or anything like that. I really want the flavors of the ingredients that I am using, like the palm oil and the caramelized onions and the pepper, to really shine in this dish. The stew is pretty dry right now. It is time to add the cubed yams and water. Amount of water that you add depends on how thick you want your porridge to be. I was going for a thicker porridge, so I did not add a lot of water. If you like yours less thick, simply add more water. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes or more, or until your yam is fully cooked. Check and stir every 5 minutes. So to make the image pop, I added a little bit of sauteed onions. I sauteed the onions in red palm oil, and I also added some chives. So disclaimer, chives are also not part of the traditional recipe, just added it for the visuals. If you give this a try, and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to like this video, and if you want to see more, check my Instagram account at Amma's Kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.